What's up, team? This is Darryl Joyner coming at you today with a quick blurb. I've been getting a lot of questions from individuals who are looking to get started in the social media marketing landscape, and they're looking to get started on Twitter, Facebook. They're looking to get their business opportunity out to their social network, and they don't exactly know how to get started building up their social network. The animal of social network marketing is that it requires a bit of time in the beginning because you're building up your friends, you're building up your network, you're networking with the right people who are going to be interested in a business opportunity and who are going to be the type of individuals that are going to actually take the business and do something with it. So you're building up a quality of followers, and that does take time. What I'm going to show you today is a way to get started and to hit the ground running. And the tool that I use to do this is just Unfollow. I'm going to put a link to this site at the bottom of this video so you'll be able to have access to it. This site is used to do a couple of things. You can use it to follow, and you can use it to unfollow. You can use it to find fans. You can use it with multiple Twitter accounts. You can use it to gain more followers. You can use it to keep track of what individuals are retweeting about you. So it is primarily a tool to build up your Twitter account with business-oriented people. And the way that you would do it is basically the last feature here, which is to copy the followers of other users' account. Now I'm going to sign into the account that I have, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Basically, I'm going to sign in with my Twitter account, and I'm going to take you through the steps that you would use to build up a following in a short amount of time. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a Twitter account that I just started today. This is a brand new Twitter account that I'm showing you how to build it up. I've let it run for about 6 hours since this morning, and I'm going to let you see the activity that has happened in the account since it's been set up. Now this is the Twitter account. This is at Joyner Marketing. Okay, now what you're able to do, and we're not going to go through all the functionality of the software. It is very deep, and it does a lot of things. There are a lot of people using it. But the one feature that we are going to look at is specifically geared towards taking your Twitter account and building it up with business-oriented followers. And the tab that you would use is the tab here, which is called Copy Followers. Basically, you would go into this tab, and what this allows you to do is it allows you to target another individual's Twitter account who you respect and who you know is in the industry of internet marketing or network marketing, and you are able to follow the individuals that are following them and to invite them to follow you. And this is where the power lies, because you can target specific individuals. Now let's say, for example, we're going to go into just a regular twitter.com, and we're going to look for an individual that we can use as an example. And what we're going to do is we're going to type in network marketing. Not going to be able to spell too well for the video, but we are going to get into Twitter. Okay, this is basically Twitter. So what we're going to do is we're going to search. Let's do a basic search. Let's try something like network marketing, just to get some individuals that we know are in that field. All right, so we'll go here, network marketing. Okay, now what this is going to do is it's going to filter out, it's going to pull up some individual accounts that we can look at. And not to call anybody out, but there are great network marketers on Twitter, great trainers, great advisors, great business oriented individuals. And we're just going to take one for an example's sake. We're not actually going to take their followers and do anything with them. We're going to just take someone who we can use to show the functionality of the website. And we're going to use, let's say, Kim Stone. Now Kim Stone has 83,873 followers. She's following 91,000 people. She has a very good following on Twitter. Now we know that the individuals that are following Kim Stone are very well trained in internet marketing, are very well aware of some of the tactics that would be favorable, the type of business opportunities that we would be looking to present to them. So basically what we can do is just copy this here and put it into the Just Unfollow software. Here. Boom. Stone Team. Now click Show. what this is going to do is it's going to sort through not only all of her followers, but all of her most active followers, those that are actually sending out tweets, those that are active on Twitter, those that are actually in a very good standing by keeping a healthy Twitter account. These are the individuals that it's going to put at the top of the list. Now from here, because you've already logged in with your Twitter account and just Unfollow, when you click follow here of all of these individuals that are following of all the individuals that are following her, you're going to have these individuals added to your Twitter account. So you're going to be following all of these individuals. Now, what happens is that one of two things. When you're going through the individuals here, you don't need to check everyone because there's going to be a lot of individuals coming up. You can kind of target the individuals that look like they're going to be interested in doing more business online or expanding their business online, so that when you approach them, you're approaching them with something that's going to be valuable to them. So you can follow whoever you want to follow here, follow, and it's just going to keep loading up more individuals. As you scroll down, it's going to scroll through, for this particular account, 83,000 people, and then you're going to add all those individuals to your account. Now with Twitter, you have a limitation. You can only follow up to 1,000 people a day, and that is because they don't want the bots and the spam oriented softwares to build up your account. They want to know that you've actually specifically looked at these individuals and picked out the ones that are going to be relevant to your account. So that's what you're going to actually spend time doing, looking at the individuals here and choosing who you want to follow by hand. Now as soon as you do that, I'm going to take you to the account that I set up this morning. You're going to see, oh, it's a Twitter account. Okay, this is a Twitter account that I signed up with this morning. This is Joyner Marketing. As you can see, I went right up to the maximum for the day. I went up to 1,018 people. This is how many people I'm following. Now you can see that this Twitter account is brand new. I only tweeted out one tweet so far, and this was just a retweet to check to see if the account was working. And I have 250 followers already. These are all business-oriented followers. Now I'm going to refresh this because there's probably going to be some more, because I just did this about 6 hours ago. So there's going to be more and more people that are coming in all the time. Just went up 17 more individuals. What you will see is that there are some individuals that have their account set up so that as soon as you follow them, they're automatically going to follow you. So those are going to be the individuals that you'll see coming onto your account first as followers. Then the other ones during the day, as people log in, they see what your Twitter account is about, they see that you're a business-oriented person, then that's going to be the individuals that are going to actually respond to you following them, and they're going to follow you. So this is how the exchange would work. And that is the way to build up. You will probably get about 500 followers per day, joining through different Twitter accounts, going through different network marketing Twitter accounts and signing up individuals, following individuals, and all of them are going to be targeted because you did specifically pick them by hand, and these are definitely going to be business-oriented individuals. So just a quick tip today. This is actually part one of a video series that I'm going to do today. The very next video after this one, I'm going to show you how to leverage the efforts of other people while you're building up your following on Twitter and on Facebook. The next video, I'm going to show you how to leverage other individuals that are also doing the same thing and presenting their business opportunity. And I'm going to show you a very neat way to make that work. So this is Darryl Joyner again. Thank you so much for being on the team. Again, I am as much committed to your success as you are. You can reach me at the numbers on the screen and hit me up, send me a text, send me an email. Let me know what your questions are. If you got anything that you're stuck on, anything that you're stumbling with, you can definitely reach out to me and I'll give you a quick answer. If you have any questions about the Just Unfollow and getting signed up with that, definitely hit me up. There's a link in the description for that. And we are moving and rolling. We're having good success, and we're using basic tools. And the difference between someone that is doing it and successful online and someone who's not doing it is just a small bit of information. And you being on the right team in the right place, I am committed to sharing the right information with you to guarantee that you're going to have good success and be able to accomplish more. This is Darryl Joyner. I look forward to talking to you more soon in the future. Take care, and God bless.